Hey guys, I want to quickly show you what I carry on my long ride. I know most of you are experienced riders and you know what you need, but this is a little different kind of a ride. We're going out of town. Some people have not done long rides. So I thought I will share what I do. I know you will have your own preferences, but I hope this will help you guys. So let me show you what are the items I have collected here or I'm going to be carrying with me. So let's start with the basics. We need the helmet. If you need a head cover, then I use some of these. Then we have gloves here, then shoes, the cleat covers, and then if you move on the right side, the things which is on my bike, which is the Garmin cyclometer. It measures all the things like distance, calories, and elevation. Then you can even use your Apple Watch or even your phone to measure the distance and all the other statistics through Strava or any other application. Now I have this nice cover here from Decathlon. Now you can slide your any phone, even my iPhone 11 Pro Max goes into this, and you can use it in the rain and you can just slide it in your back pocket of your jersey. That's what I do. And yeah, and you can operate it while the phone is inside this cover. Then there's another cover here which actually goes on the handle, and I don't use this personally because I need space on my handle. But if you need to use your phone while you're riding and you want to use it as a cyclometer or to look at all the statistics, then you can use this as well, and it's available at Decathlon. Now we need these lights, especially the tail light, which is very important during the whole ride to Mysore. Please keep it on, the red light, the flashing light. And this light, the front light, especially because we will be riding early in the morning, it will be handy. What else do we have here? So okay, I have my glasses, which of course we will need. All of you should have one. I have my earphones, which is used for emergency calls or sometimes listening to the music. Then I have this air pump, which again goes in the back pocket of my jersey. Now let's see what else do we have on my bike. So I keep the sanitizer, especially in the COVID days, in my back pocket. Then these two things go on my bike. One bottle I use to fill the electrol, and the second one goes with the lime water with sugar and salt. Now, since Fasten Up is one of our sponsors and they're giving us these tablets. These can be used to dissolve in this water, and these are electrolytes, and this will be very useful. So make use of it. Then they are also giving us this gel, which is again going to be very useful while riding. It acts as a substitute of your sometimes food and gives you a lot of energy. So this is my electrol. I am big fan of electrol. I use this. So this time I'm going to try a mixture of all this. Try to use Fasten Up as well. Now in my saddle bag, usually I will have a couple of electrols. The gels go in my back pocket of my jersey. These Fasten Up this time will go in my saddle bag, and all these items here on the right side go in my saddle bag. So I have two tubes which can be very handy if the tire is not usable or it is damaged or it is punctured. The fastest way of getting back on the ride is to just change the tube in the nearest shop, or if you can do it yourself, then these are the tools available to change the tube, and open this can be used to remove the tube from the tire, then put back. And these are the tools which can be handy, and this is the puncture kit in case we need to just get back urgently. And of course I keep all the money and my cards, important cards and ID card, in this polythene bag which goes in my saddle bag, and if it rains, nothing happens. So I hope I have covered everything. Let me know if I have missed something very important. I would love to know. If you guys are doing something differently, do let me know. And yeah, I know you will have your own preferences. You may not need all these items, but I usually carry these on my ride. I try to be as equipped as possible. So and okay, yeah, last thing, I also kept here the face shield, which is of course going to be used when we are returning in the bus. So I hope you guys have got everything together. We have one more day to go. So all the best, and do let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help. Thank you.